Hello and welcome to the third installment in the Why Not series. Yes, that's right, we got a third installment. Today I'll be telling you why not to ride a vacuum cleaner. Reason number 1. You may get pulled over by the cops. Oh God! Hello, officer.
I'm pretty sure that's an unregistered vehicle. Sir?
It is a vacuum cleaner.
Yes. Well, does it have wheels, sir?
Yeah, of course it's got wheels.
Then, sir, I'm afraid there's a vehicle, and I'm going to have to impound that. Please step away.
Wait,
from the
what?
vehicle.
What?
You're going to have to come with me, sir.
No, vacuum cleaner. No, I'm not buying it. Reason number 2. You might run out of lead while being chased by a maniac in a morph suit. Hasta la vista! Whoa! Uh-oh. Adelaide! Holy Saint Franklin of Jerusalem! Reason number 3. The howsafeisyourcar.com.au man will not approve of your vehicle. Whoa! What do you think you're doing? You stupid little idiot! You have no idea how unsafe that car is. You've got no side airbags, no curtain airbags. Man, you're supposed to be choosing a stupid car that could save your life, and you're choosing the car that could kill you. This is so stupid, you stupid little idiot. I can't believe how dumb you are. You should visit my website. You could learn something really good from me. Now go choose a better car for your needs, otherwise you're going to end up dead like the 928 people who died on the roads this year. That's right, check the facts, because you're going to end up like one of them if you don't get a safe car. Get up. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Why are you wearing a green shower cap? I was washing my hair. But aren't you meant to be bald? And this, kids, is why you don't do stupid things like ride a vacuum cleaner. In the comment section below, tell me other stupid things you stupid people want me to tell you not to stupid do. Patasi out. Hi guys, Patasi here. If you like this video, then click that subscribe button down below. And if you don't, FALCON PUNCH! FALCON PUNCH! FALCON PUNCH! FALCON PUNCH! FALCON PUNCH!